Hi, this is Carlos Cousins, and the following SAT writing question is asking about this highlighted expression here. So let's go ahead and read the full sentence, make sure it makes sense. When then President George Washington signed the Patent Act into law 225 years ago, he got the ball rolling to one of the most important catalysts of creativity and invention that the world has ever known. So the first thing that jumps out at me about the original here, the no change answer choice, is to is not generally the preposition that we use with this expression. It's on. This is also a very colloquial expression. So good thing that they're sort of giving you the to there so you can cross it out right away. When you get the ball rolling on something, you're basically getting it started. So you're kicking off one of the most important catalysts, and a catalyst is something that kicks off something else, right? So a catalyst gets the ball rolling on something else. That being the creativity and invention of America at a level that the world had never seen before. So, okay, that looks like it's going to be the wrong answer. Just let's go ahead and consider answer as B. He presided over one of the most important catalysts. So it's strange that we say presided over the catalysts because it seems to be that the catalyst refers to the Patent Act, in which he signed. So he performed an active action, and to preside over means to just sort of be watching while something happens, but he himself signed the Patent Act. So seems okay, not necessarily wrong, it just sounds a bit strange. Let's go ahead and see if we've had something better. He is fundamental in being one of the most important catalysts to creativity and invention. So potentially by signing the Patent Act, he himself was a catalyst, so he himself kicked off creativity and invention in America. That could be the case. It's very strange to say he was fundamental in being. We want to avoid ing endings in verbs, and it's not. It doesn't seem that that's actually what they're trying to say here. That George Washington was a catalyst of creativity and invention, but that the Patent Act itself was what caused creativity and invention in America, which was not the work of George Washington. He simply signed it. So we're not too sure about this one. I'm going to go ahead and cross this one out. And then we've got he laid the foundation for one of the most important catalysts to creativity and invention. So yeah, this looks a lot better. So if he signed it, then he actively laid the foundation for people to profit off of creativity and invention in America. So it's not just that he presided over, which is a very passive action. He laid the foundation for it, an active action, by signing the Patent Act into law 225 years ago. I hope that helped with this problem, and happy prepping.